On 13 November 1866, Apihai Te Kawau attended the native land court at Princess Street in the rapidly expanding city of Auckland. He clearly stated for the court his genealogy, iwi affiliations, and how he came to be the paramount chief of the Greater Auckland Isthmus. He declared,
"My father was Tarahawaiki. His father was Tuperiri, and Tuperiri's tribe was Te Taoū. I was born at Ihumātao. The land belonged to the Waiohua when I was born. Tarahawaiki belonged to Te Taoū. The name of the people who lived in the country from the Waitemata to the Manukau were the Waiohua and the Ngāiwi. The Taoū were driven into this country by the Waiohua. It was on the account of the massacre at Waituoro. Wahaakiaki avenged this massacre. He belonged to the Taoū. The people who owned Kohimarama, Ōrākei and Taurarua were killed by Te Taoū. They were the Ngāiwi and Waiohua. The pā at those places were destroyed by the Taoū. Te Taoū captured all the pā of Ngāiwi. Tuperiri took the last one. It was when people were killed in the days of Tuperiri that Taoū came here. They came to Maunga Kēkē and built a pā. Only Te Taoū lived on this side of Tāmaki then.